Okay, so right now I'm here visiting the woodshop of my school. The woodshop was probably one of the more important parts of my high school, so that's why I'm visiting. And yeah, I guess for now I'm just going to be preparing this frame. Going to be building a new quad soon, so yeah, I guess let's grind down this carbon. Well, I'm waiting for this to dry right now. Other people are doing work, and yeah, I just wanted to give a real quick brief on why I'm really here. The real reason why I'm here is actually because I really want to talk about the decline of shop classes. And yeah, at least from what I've seen so far, like a lot of schools are cutting down on their shop classes, and even last year, like this school, they've tried to just go ahead and cut this woodshop class, which is really depressing to me, to be honest, because woodshop class was definitely one of the more memorable classes in my high school. And I'd definitely like to say that the main problem I have with these schools cutting down on these classes is that they don't really find a very good alternative to replace that. It looks like they're just trying to save money and things like that, and I get it, money's tight, but like at least when I was there, like this class really meant a lot to me, and I wouldn't be in FPV and drone racing and plane building, etc. if I didn't go to this class. And yeah, actually, if you looked at some of my older videos, you'll probably see me doing some plane building here at this exact place, and that's pretty cool. And yeah, it's just my thoughts on this. I guess I'll talk more about it later. Hello guys, how's it been? Okay, so I'm back to the flying field again and gonna fly, but basically just to re-outline about the woodshop stuff, I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to show any FPV stuff there or anything like that, but what ended up happening was that they upped their security, and I didn't want to just bring some suspicious gear into there and get misidentified as bomb threats, so yeah, that's why I didn't bring my whoop in there to go fly my whoop inside the woodshop during lunch break. And yeah, otherwise about the whole woodshop thing, I honestly think these shop classes are really are something that I feel like schools are kind of ignoring right now. At least right now, like college is kind of the mainstream, and sort of the trade schools kind of get ignored. And I feel like a lot of kids who do go to these woodshop classes and things like that, they end up finding out that college just isn't for them, and they end up going to trade schools, which is a good thing because they find out that they like hands-on learning and things like that. And at least for me, what I learned was that I liked hands-on learning, I liked practical learning, so that's why I got into FPV. And yeah, otherwise I gotta go fly right now. I've got a big box of props to go test out, so yeah, I guess time to fly.
You really mean a lot to me. And Stalin, you really mean a lot to me.
Well, yeah, I guess this is just a final note from post-production, I guess. I'm currently taking a welding class right now, and I wanted to show you guys that too. And yeah, sorry about making this vlog across multiple days. I normally make it just one day and that's it, but this time it was a bit special because I just had a lot on my plate, and yeah, I guess I'll show you guys what the welding class is up to right now. It's my next class, and yeah, I guess till next time.
mean a lot.